welcome back to my channel Pachnanda Creations. Thanks to all of you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Today we will make this very beautiful Barbie dress using kitchen towel or tissue paper. First of all, we will create this flower. For this we need 5 pieces of round cut tissue paper. The thinner is better. Let's stick them to the center and secure it with the help of a stud of your choice. Let it dry properly. Now we will crush all the layers to the center and reopen them very slowly and carefully. Similarly, I have created 30 such flower pieces. For the top, we will take a rectangular piece of tissue paper and wrap it around the doll. Let's secure it with the rubber. Now we will take a D-shaped cut card paper and wrap it around the doll to give it a skirt look. Let's start decorating. First of all, we will make a frill at the bottom. For this, we will take a small round cut tissue paper and roll it with the help of a pencil like this. Stick the flowers. So the doll dress is ready. Isn't it very simple and cute? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Bye bye.